Morning students. Now we will do our English work. We have studied the chapter The Magic Garden and we have done the question and answers of this one chapter also. Today we will do the fill in the blanks and true and false, the exercise of this chapter. See here. First of all, we will write at the top unit first and the chapter name The Magic Garden, and at the here left corner 29th April 2020 today's date, and another side CW. So first of all, fill in the blanks. First one, fill up which the magic garden was in the dash playground. Can you tell me the answer? The magic garden was in the dash playground. In which playground? It was school playground. Now next one is the flowers dash and dash happily. What will come here? The flowers danced and sang happily. Now next one is the dash were the gardeners from the school. Can you tell me the answer? Who were the gardeners from the school? Children. Yes, we will write here children. CHILDREN, children. Now next one is it was a magic garden because it had dash fairies too. Read once again. It was a magic garden because it had dash too. Can you tell me why it was a magic garden? Why we called it magic garden? Because there were fairies too, na? That's why we will write here fairies. FAIRIES, fairies. Now next one is fifth one. Fairies dresses were made of dash. Have you remembered? Fairies dresses were made of which? And the answer is flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. Okay, this is our fill-ups. Now next, true or false. Now we will do true or false. First one sentence is the magic garden was in a hospital. It is correct. Tell me, it is true or false? The magic garden was in a hospital. ये hospital में था? No. So we will write here false. It was in a school playground. So we will write here F. F means false. Now next one is the children were the gardeners of the flowers. This one sentence is right or wrong? True or false? The children were the gardeners of the flowers. Yes, the children were the gardeners. So we will write here T. T for true. Now next one is the children plucked the flowers. दिस इज राइट और रॉन्ग? बच्चे फ्लावर्स को प्लग करते थे, तोड़ते थे. ट्रू और फॉल्स? दिस इज फॉल्स. वो तो टेक केयर करते थे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द सन लाइक्ड टू सी द चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग इन द सनशाइन. इज इट करेक्ट? इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? इट इज ट्रू. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज फिफ्थ वन. Everybody could hear the songs of fairies. In this story, everybody could hear the song of fairies, or only children could hear? Only children. So we will write here F. F for false. Children, now this is your homework. You have to do it in your notebook. Name any two words which you see in a garden. Now you have to write here any two words name, whatever insects, birds, trees, tools, flowers, which you can see in a garden. जो आप garden में देखते हैं, आपने उनके नेम लिखने हैं. First one is insects. You will write here two insect names. Do you know an insect name? Like butterfly and cockroach. You can write any two, whatever you want. Now next one is birds. Now you will write here two birds name. You can write of your choice birds. Now next one is trees. Here you have to write two trees name which you can find in any garden. You can write mango tree, apple tree, papaya tree, any one tree you can write here. Now next one is tools. Tools means tools. What you want? Tools means the equipment which we use in any garden. You can write here axe, hammer, sickle, any tool. Now here flowers. Flowers. Now you will write here two flowers name. You can write your choice of flowers name. So children, this is your homework and this is your today's work. You will do it in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting, and after completing it you will learn it also. Thank you.